Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be making a succulent plant dish with items I got from Dollar Tree. First I have a succulent dish, one of those flat dishes. I have 2 bags of Dollar Tree's River Rocks, a Dollar Tree glass, and I end up using 5 of those succulent plants on those clips. I'm going to take the sticker off of the dish. Some of these stickers come off easier than others, so I had to use my utility knife. Once I get that off, I'm going to cover it with Waverly white chalk paint. I did end up giving this 2 coats of the white chalk paint. Once I'm done with the terrarium dish, I give my glass cup a coat of white chalk paint as well, and then set those aside to dry. So now I'm going to take some E6000 adhesive, put it on the bottom of the cup. I will also add some hot glue to give it an instant hold. Now I take the cup and put it in the center. Press down on that firmly, and it should be set. I'm going to flip it over and add my 2 bags of River Rock to it. After adding the second bag of rocks, I take my succulent plants, and these ones are on those little clips, and I'm going to leave the clips on. That way I can use it for a later project. I'm going to stick those in there, play with them a little bit, rearrange them, see how I like them. I think that looks pretty good, and I really like the little red one that's in the middle. And I forgot to add the jute twine, so I had to go back in and add some to the bottom. I wrapped that around a few times, hot glued it into place, then went back and made a cute little bow and hot glued that on as well. And I think this came out so cute. Let me know what you think below in the comments. And please be sure to subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up. I really appreciate it. Thanks for watching.